Hi friends, as you all see, it's snowing here in Albuquerque. There is gonna be a lot of snow today. We are gonna expect 60 to 70% of snow on the roads and everywhere in Albuquerque. So be safe, drive safe, stay safe and warm everywhere on the roads. It's gonna be very tough to drive on the roads. So if you can see here, the snow has covered all over the grass and everywhere here all around my environment and surroundings is fully covered by snow. So just be safe and warm. Stay home. This is your Navneet. Thank you from Albuquerque.